Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna has recommended the name of Justice B.R. Gavai as his successor. CJI Khanna will demit office on May 13 after around 6-month tenure. Justice Gavai, in line to be the 53rd CJI, will have a tenure of over 6 months and he will demit office on November 23, 2025. Earlier this month, US President Donald Trump put new tariffs on imports from many countries. These tariffs are meant to target countries with which the US has a trade deficit. China was hit especially hard with some goods facing up to 245% in tariffs on imports to the US. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson said, "The US-China trade war is getting more intense day by day. In this volatile phase, China is going down." Amid the global trade uncertainties that have emanated from Trump administration's reciprocal tariffs and Chinese counter tariffs, gold prices on MCX touched yet another record high over weak US dollar. Gold on MCX touched a record high of Rs 95,435 per 10 grams during the day. The Mumbai-Manmad-Panchvati Express has become the first train in India to have an ATM installed on board. The machine allows passengers to withdraw cash even while the train is moving. It has been introduced as part of Indian Railways' innovative and non-fare revenue idea scheme. Two hardcore Naxals were killed in an encounter near the Kondagaon-Narayanpur border in Chhattisgarh. Reportedly, security forces are still carrying out a search operation in the area. India has the potential to become the second largest economy if it remains on the current path of resilience and policy continuity, billionaire investor Mark Mobbis said. In just a few years, India has risen from being the world's 11th largest economy to the 5th largest after the US, China, Germany and Japan in terms of total GDP. Amid talk of Islamic representation, India and other G4 members have rejected proposals to allocate seats on the basis of religion in a reformed Security Council. India's permanent representative P. Harish said introducing a religious factor would add considerable complexity to an already difficult discussion on reforming the council. India's total exports saw a 2.65% annual growth at $73.61 billion in the month of March, as per the data by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Total imports for March 2025 is estimated at $77.23 billion, registering a positive growth of 4.90%. The sleuths of Odisha Vigilance Department launched raids on the properties of an assistant executive engineer of Atmalik Block on allegations of disproportionate assets. The searches were conducted at 9 locations linked to Assistant Executive Engineer Ramchandra Satpathy and his relatives. Punjab Kings spinner Yuzvendra Chahal tied with Kolkata Knight Riders legend Sunil Narine for most 4-wicket hauls in the history of the Indian Premier League. Chahal achieved this milestone during his side's match against KKR at Malanpur.